Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to make money with Fiverr affiliate marketing. Well, Fiverr is an amazing place to start your first affiliate marketing business because they have a flexible affiliate program where you can promote anywhere like blogs, forums, YouTube, and even social media. They offer really a good commission when compared to many other affiliate programs in the market. So when you go to affiliates.fiverr.com and you scroll down, you'll find this: join as an affiliate, then promote Fiverr, and start earning. And from here, you can now start join now, or you can just check the commission plan right here. So as you can see, the commission plan, you have two ways. With the Fiverr CPA, $15 to $150, or Fiverr Hybrid, $10 plus 10% rev share. Now if we continue scroll down, we will see here how much money we're gonna be earning. As you can see here, more products you can promote by Fiverr Pro, or maybe by Fiverr Affiliates, or Fiverr Logo Maker. Now here you'll find all the commissions depending on the product that you want to promote. For example, right here on website builder, e-commerce product videos, illustration or gaming. So if we go to Fiverr, for example here, sample of a gig saying I will design and develop e-commerce online store website. So for example, you want to promote this gig right here about the e-commerce online store. If you go back to the commission plan, you will see how much you can earn. So for example, here on website development, so you can earn as much as $50 with that gig. So that's how you basically earn money on Fiverr affiliate program. So let's get started here. Interested in becoming a Fiverr affiliate? So just click this start earning now button. And from here, if you are a first timer, so you need to sign up your account. You just enter your first name, last name, email address, username, password. But since I have an account on Fiverr, I will just click on this login button at the top right. And then from here, you can just log in your username and then your password. So right here, for example, and just click on this login button. Now, once you've done this one, you will be directly go here on the dashboard. So here we have actual dashboard, how much money we have earned. So if we go right here on marketing tools, it will show up what we can use to get started. So for example, if I click on these marketing tools, you will find here, so filter creatives. So you can filter by brand, by type, by language, by creative name, or by size. So for example, I want to click on this filter by brand and it will show you the options. So I just want to choose this Fiverr Learn right here. And then once you've done right here, just click this show creatives and it will filter about the Fiverr Learn. So as you can see here, you'll find all the links, the URL that I could start to promote. So you can just choose the one that fits for you, or maybe you can actually change the filter. So let's just scroll up and go back to the categories and let's go on filter by brand and just choose or add here Fiverr CPA and then Fiverr Hybrid. And then here on filter by type, you can choose here the specific if you want JPEG or ebooks. In language, just choose English. And then you can choose the specific creative name if you want 3D or NFT. Or you can choose filter by size. So it will show up some additional choices or additional categories that you can choose. And then you can just copy the URL link right here to promote this brand or products. So you have actually two ways on how you can earn with this one. First is you can share it directly to your social media accounts. So you just paste the link right there. Or you can also create an online store to let people know this URL link and to get start earning money from this Fiverr affiliate program. So you just choose right here the product or gig that you want to promote. So as you can see, I just copied it on clipboard. And then once you've done right here, you can now paste it either on your social media accounts, your blogs, or any website. So for example, actually I just created a sample blog from sites.google.com. So this is actually free and you can create by yourself. So as you can see here, I have created a wallpaper. And then why should consider working on Fiverr? So here you can create your title. Actually, you can change the color here. For example, I want to change from black into this color here. Then I'll just put some reasons here why you might consider working on Fiverr. Flexibility, global reach, diverse services, portfolio building, income generation, and then if you scroll down, part-time and full-time, skill improvement, low entry barrier. So you'll find some reasons here why you want to choose this Fiverr affiliate program. And then if you want to add some button, just click on this insert right here at the right side of your screen. You'll find some features. So you just go here and click this insert and then click on this button. For example, I want to name this one as sign up. Then I should paste the link right here that I got from the dashboard and then click on this insert button. So you'll find the sign up button here at the bottom of your blog. So if they click this one, they will directly go to that link. So let's go publish this blog website here. So just click on this publish button at the top right beside your profile picture. So click this one and then publish to the web. So I will just name this as a Fiverr affiliate. And once you've done right here, you can now view this blog website. So just go and click this view button and then it will show you the blog website here that I made from Google site. So as you can see, if they scroll down until the bottom and see that sign up button right here and click that one, they will directly go to that URL link. So as you can see here, they will go directly here on Fiverr Learn and they can choose whatever course they want or products or gigs that they want to buy. So if they sign up and then buy some products or gigs right here, you'll get some money depending on the commission plan that you choose or the product itself. So that's how you basically make money on Fiverr affiliate marketing. You just have to sign up your new account and then choose the commission plan and then go to dashboard and find some link that you want to promote or choose the one that fits for you. So you can go right here on earnings report and see here how much money you earn from this affiliate program. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.